Hundreds of protesters and right activists took to the streets of Islamabad to voice their anger at US drone attacks in the northwestern region of Pakistan bordering Afghanistan.
Approximately 2,000 people died, innocent people died in these drone strikes. They are very angry from America and all the armed forces who are in this coalition with America.
These people have traveled from tribal region to Islamabad to protest against what they call massive killing of civilians in the frequent US drone strikes. Least they want now is compensation, which neither the US government nor Pakistani government is willing to provide them. One of the victims of the drone strikes has served a legal notice on US Embassy in Islamabad, including CIA chief to pay $5 million in compensation for killing his family members.
We found that victims opposed drone strikes.
A US-based NGO campaigned for innocent victims in conflict, and a report compiled in collaboration with the Human Rights Commission of Pakistan has pointed out that US drone strikes have led to a humanitarian crisis in the tribal region. The finding, based on interviews of victim families, highlights growing miseries of tribal people after their loved ones were killed and houses were destroyed in frequent drone strikes apparently aimed at killing militants in the tribal areas. The US and Pakistan are not willing to compensate civilian losses, a key demand of helpless victim families.
Its reluctance, its resistance to coming clean about drone strikes prevents compensation from actually happening. When, at least on an official level, you can't even admit that these operations are going on, how could you then provide funding to people who are suffering because of them? So I think that's exactly right. And I think what we're trying to do in the report is highlight the clandestine nature of these things, to put pressure on, again, not only the United States, but also the Pakistani government to come clean, so that compensation and help can reach those people who are suffering from the strikes.
The report, referring official Pakistani figures, says that military operations, drone strikes and retaliatory violence by militants have claimed more than 10,000 lives in Pakistan since 9/11. Javed Rana, Press TV, Islamabad.